Hello. Welcome back. In this video, I will show how to edit Moody Dark in Snapseed mobile application. Let's start editing. Open Snapseed application. Go to Tools. Initial Tuning in Tune Image. In Tune Image, brightness, contrast, saturation, highlights, shadows can be tuned. Reduce the brightness, contrast, ambience, and warmth. The range of these is according to the image. After that, go to Vignette Settings and reduce outer brightness to -30. Select Curve tool. In that, select Faded. On the curve, drag the above 2 points to a straight line or diagonally. Go to Details. Increase Structure and Sharpening. Go to Selective tool. To pop parts of the image by tuning the brightness, saturation, and structure. Save the image.